Hi, I'm Anshita. Today I'll show you how you can create a team from scratch in Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams gives us two options to create a team. First is to create a team from existing Microsoft 365, which is formerly known as Office 365, and second option is to build a team from scratch. So in this video, we'll talk about how to build a team from scratch. So this is Microsoft Teams and I have landed in Teams options here, as you can see on left panel. I'll click on join or create a team. It will give me option of creating a team. I'll click on that. Now here it will ask me if I want to build a team from scratch or create from an existing Microsoft 365 group or a team. So here I'll click on build a team from scratch. Now it will ask me if I want to keep this team as a private or a public. In private mode, people need permission to join. In case of public, anyone in my organization can join this team. I'll keep this team as in private mode. Teams will ask me the name of my team. I will add team name. The description of this team is totally optional. Team for flag interns only. I'll select create. Now it is creating the team. It will take a couple of minutes and here it's done. Now it will ask me the members of flag intern. I'll start typing Ankita Sarkar, Shulu, Srinivas. I'll select add and it's adding the team members. It's done. It will ask me if I want them to be a member or owner. I will select owner and you can see that Srinivasan is owner of this team now. I will select close. So my team, my flag intern team is created and this is how it is done. I hope you like the feature and the video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them into the comment section below. For more videos, you can watch Foetron Academy channel. Thank you.